I will be demonstrating my Webhook Delivery System, which was built using Python, FastAPI, Redis, Streams, and Docker. This project solves a problem in distributed systems. Imagine an e-commerce application where an order is placed. Multiple services such as inventory, payment, analytics, and notification services need to be informed about this event. A simple approach for that problem would be directly calling each service. However, this creates services several challenges like what if one service is down, and what if a service is very slow, and what if the same webhook gets delivered multiple times. How would we verify that webhook actually comes from a trusted sources or not? This system addresses these problems by providing a reliable, secure, and scalable webhook delivery. Let me show how it works. Like first, I will start all the service using the Docker Compose by the help of Docker Compose up hyphen hyphen build command. As I have already started these services, the system consists of four services. Let's see those. As we can see, the four services are event producer, admin API, dispatch, and subscriber simulation. Whereas event producer accepts the events and admin API manages the subscribers, and dispatcher delivers the webhooks reliably, and subscriber stimulator receives and validates the webhooks. As you can see, the four like admin, producer, and subscriber. These are the four services. You can see the entire application was running. Like the the simple thing to test it, like when a client sends an event, it is stored in the Redis Streams instead of being sent directly to the subscribers. Let's just quickly test it. The endpoint for hitting the events, and I have kept an example sample input for the API, like what kind of event type it is. It is an order created, and the order ID ran the payload message, and what's the order details and the amount for it, and the priority whether it is critical or low or medium. Let's just hit it. As we can see, we got a status like it was queued to the Redis, and the message ID and event ID, event type, and priority. Like Redis Streams acts as a durable queue which ensures events are not lost even if the dispatcher crashes. So the dispatcher then reads these events using the Redis Consumer Groups and securely sends them to all the registered subscribers. To verify successfully delivery, I will check the produce processed events with by the help of the API. Like as we can see the event has been successfully received and proceeded. This is the event which is proceeded and all. As we have sent an event, like another problem their system solves is security. To prevent unauthorized request, every webhook includes an HMAC signature, timestamp, and request ID, versions, and delivery attempt information. I will now run the attack script to demonstrate this. These test scenarios such as tampered payload or replay attacks, missing signatures and invalid versions and duplicate request IDs and invalid requests are rejected by the subscriber. As you can see, the tampered body and missing and wrong replay attacks. Like the system also solves the duplicate process problem through idempotency. Even webhook is delivered multiple times due to retry, the subscriber process it only once, and additionally the dispatcher implements the backpressure strategies such as a rate limiting, admission control, and load shedding. This mechanism helps prevent slow or unhealthy subscribers from affecting the entire system. And finally, the Redis Consumer Groups provide crash recovery if the dispatcher fails while processing events and pending messages remain in the Redis and are redelivered when the dispatcher restarts. This ensures no events are lost. Finally, the project demonstrates how to build a secure, resilient webhook infrastructure that guarantees reliable delivery and prevents duplicate processing and protect against malicious requests and adopts under high load conditions. This is completely regarding the project. As you can see, I have also mentioned the flow of the entire project in the README file, like what kind of APIs and the port numbers it is being called, and how we need to test it by as I have the entire process in the README file. The results, these are the security things. It's completely about the project. Thank you for watching.